All right. If you give a mouse a cookie by Laura Numeroff. I love this book. If you give a mouse a cookie, see if you can see that. If you give a mouse a cookie, he is going to ask for a glass of milk. When you give him milk, he will probably ask you for a straw. When he's finished, he'll ask for a napkin. Then he'll want to look in a mirror to make sure he doesn't have a milk mustache. When he looks into the mirror, he might notice his hair needs a trim. So he'll probably ask for a pair of nail scissors. When he's finished giving himself a trim, he'll want a broom to sweep up. He'll start sweeping. He might get carried away and sweep every room in the house. He may even end up washing the floors as well. When he's done, he'll probably want to take a nap. You'll have to fix up a little box for him with a blanket and a pillow. He'll crawl in, make himself comfortable, and fluff the pillow a few times. He'll probably ask you to read him a story. So you'll read to him from one of your books, and he'll ask to see the pictures. When he looks at the pictures, he'll get so excited he'll want to draw one of them. He'll ask for paper and crayons. When the picture is finished, he'll want to sign his name. With a pen. Then he'll want to hang his pictures on your refrigerator, which means he'll need Scotch tape. He'll hang up his drawing and stand back to look at it. Looking at the refrigerator will remind him that he's thirsty. So, what do you think will happen? He'll ask for a glass of milk. That pesky mouse. And chances are, if he asks for a glass of milk, what will he want, you guys? He's going to want a cookie to go with it. I love that book. These books are great if you have any more of them. So you'll be writing a story that mimics this, but with different animals and doing different things. So it's a fun one, and I get to share with your classmates. So I'm looking forward to awesome stories. Okay, high five. Have a great day. Bye.